Breaking news coming in. Politics continues over the National Counter-Terrorism Center, while the Congress reiterates the importance for states to give the nod to it. The BJP, it seems, is skirting the issue, saying that NCTC was not the issue, but the government's failure to act on specific intelligence that was issued to it. Well, remember, the NCTC has been a contentious issue for over a year now, and Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has once again brought this issue to the fore, writing a letter to Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Sonia Gandhi just after the Hyderabad blast, saying that it is very important to take up the NCTC issue along with the national grid. And of course, states have been opposed to this particular issue for a while now.
विपक्ष को, तमाम राजनीतिक दलों को उन परिस्थितियों में देश के हितों को सामने रखकर विचार करना चाहिए। आतंकवाद एक बड़ी समस्या है देश के सामने, और हम ये बात लगातार कहते रहे हैं। हम सबको मिलकर आतंकवाद का मुकाबला करना चाहिए।
Well, remember, NCTC has been a contentious issue, and the Congress was put on the back foot last year, even by some of its own allies, along with the opposition on the issue of NCTC. The states were not in favor of the NCTC, thinking that they would lose their autonomy if the NCTC were to be set up. But post the Hyderabad blast, the Congress is pushing for the formation of the NCTC and is trying to bring on board opposing states by incorporating changes in the agency's proposed structure and functions.